Unveiling the Meaning Behind Green Twig. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning of a phrase that you might find intriguing. Green twig. This phrase isn't just about gardeners or nature enthusiasts. It has broader uses in English. Whether you're here to expand your vocabulary or get a deeper understanding of English expressions, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore together. When we look at the phrase, green twig, it's important to understand the words green and twig separately. Green is a color that signifies growth, life, and energy. A twig, on the other hand, is a small thin branch of a tree or bush. So, put simply, a green twig is a young, small branch that's usually flexible and fresh. In many contexts, the phrase, green twig, is used symbolically. It can represent youthfulness, potential, and the beginning stages of development. Just like a green twig on a tree signifies new growth and the potential to develop into a large branch, using this phrase can symbolize someone or something that's new and full of potential. Now, let's see how to use green twig in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. As a metaphor for newness, he's a green twig. With a bit of training, he will be an excellent addition to our team. 2. To describe actual twigs, the green twigs in her flower arrangement brought a sense of freshness to the room. 3. In idioms or sayings, although green twig isn't a standard idiom, it might appear in creative expressions or literary uses. Understanding the context in which green twig is used is crucial for non-native speakers. For instance, in a business setting, referring to a project or colleague as a green twig implies they are in the early stages but hold promise. In a personal growth discussion, someone might describe themselves as a green twig when they are just starting to learn a new skill. Sometimes, the phrase, green twig, may be part of larger expressions. Authors might say, every green twig eventually becomes a sturdy branch, to suggest that all beginnings, however humble, have the potential for growth. Recognizing such expansions will help you appreciate the richness of English expressions. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, green twig. We hope you now understand not just the literal meaning, but also the deeper connotations this simple phrase can carry. Whether it's describing the promise of youth, the start of a project, or the fresh touch in a bouquet, green twig is a beautiful example of how English can be both direct and poetic. Keep learning with us, and soon you'll be handling English expressions like a pro. See you in our next video.